Catching the fog out here before it burns off. Kind of pretty, and pretty cloudy in my field. Everybody's on the way. They're on their way. They're coming to work. Holy moly. Y'all get out there and pay them taxes. I did my share. I've already done that. Really foggy in my backyard. It's thick in the field. I'm not walking back there. You can hardly see the neighbor's house now. Oh boy. Come on, sunshine. Supposed to warm up this week, and I don't care what happens after that, I guess. Have a good morning.